Do you travel quite often but have anxiety about your next destination and the language barriers you may encounter? Ever wish that you had the ability to learn a new language quickly and easily? Well, now there are new state of the art translator earbuds that can greatly benefit you, whether you are learning a new language or traveling for your summer vacation. The BAC Translator earbuds are a step forward in the way different cultures can communicate. These earbuds are like no other. They can detect 36 languages in real time and translate the words into any language directly into your ear. And through the app, the earbuds have the ability to have two-way communication as well as lessons in a variety of languages. For a limited time, we have a special offer. Call within the next 23 days to receive a pair to try. If you are not satisfied, feel free to send them back. And if you enjoyed the earbuds and we met your satisfaction and wish to purchase, you will receive the earbuds at 20% off the original $150 price. Act now to rid yourself of travel anxiety, brush up on your high school Spanish, and most importantly, change the way you communicate with the world.